Okay, welcome back to Big Happy Trading. Today is Friday, April 10th, 2026, and I've gotten quite a few requests. I just got home from baseball practice with my kids, but I've gotten quite a few requests of asking how to trade the 920 EMA strategy. This is my number one strategy. I'll do a reversal strategy once in a while, but let's not worry about that. This is the strategy I trade 95% of the time. So I got several videos of how to trade this. They're longer videos. So I decided I'm going to make one 10-minute video. Anybody, you can get your Labrador Retriever to sit for 10 minutes. I know it's hard for me to go longer videos. I'm going to get this down in 10 minutes of how to trade this strategy. If you're a newbie, you don't know what you're doing, literally you could be trading this strategy. And I don't say that. That's not hyperbole. That's not me just saying it. This is really the simplest strategy, and I've been trading since 2021. So let's get to it, because I'm already a minute in. So you see here, I'm going to teach you it's a winning strategy in 10 minutes. I'm going to teach you how to trade this strategy, and I'm going to use a real live trade from today that I executed as an example. So you can see I'm not cherry picking. I have an hour plus video of live trading. If you go find that, you can see my trades. I was actually in the trades, and you can see them live. I'm going to trade every day, starting at the New York Open. If you could please like and subscribe, that would really help. And then you'll be notified when I go live. I'm going to go live at 30 minutes before the market opens. And I'll also trade the Asian session at 6 p.m. Eastern. And for you newbies, that's a really good one to use because it moves much slower and you won't get hurt as bad as you would in New York if you don't know what you're doing. So, quick overview. I've been trading this strategy since 2021. I've been trading for 14, 15 years plus. I'm not sure how far, at least 15 years. I have been profitable since 2021. It took me a while. I was break even. When I went to this strategy, when I simplified things, my life changed. My trading life changed. I only trade one instrument and one instrument only now. I trade the S&P 500. I've done a ton of crypto trading. This works on all other items. If it has a chart, this will work on it. I decided I'm going to trade one item, the S&P, and I'm going to use one strategy. And I'm telling you, that changed my everything. Simplicity is the key to execution. I know it. I believe it. A lot of the best traders will agree with me as well. So, real quick, the paid tools that you're going to need. You're going to need TradingView. That's this charting system. I think it's about $150 to $200 a year, and that's with your data. And the only data you're going to need is the Chicago, the CME package, which is it's going to include the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the Russell. So that's all you need. I think it's like $8 or $10 a month for the data, but you got to have real-time data, or you can't trade. Broker, I have multiple brokers, but the one I suggest for newbies is NinjaTrader. I use NinjaTrader. I just started using NinjaTrader. I also use TradeStation, which is way more complex, but for this strategy, you really don't need an extensive broker, and I found NinjaTrader to be very user-friendly. So I've used up 3 minutes plus just talking about what you need. The indicators that you need are only 4. The blue line here is the 9 EMA. The thick line, which turns green. I got the fancy one that goes green when it's going up and red when it's going down. The thick line is the 20 EMA. The white line is the VWAP. And the CCI, which is like the RSI. And this is just showing you whether you're in an overbought or oversold condition. This is just a confluence indicator. It's not critical. If you start trading with more size, there's a lot more nuances to this, but I'm giving you the standard execution. What I do is your stop is the first thing because capital preservation is number one. So the stop, I set every stop that is placed automatically at 10 points. So my trade today, I got in at 68.73, and you can see my stop loss is set at 10, and my target was set at 20, and I hit both of these. I didn't hit my stop. I hit my target perfectly. 2 to 1 should be your ratio. I put trade management here because 10 points. When a trade goes 10 points in my direction, I move my stop a couple points inside break even. That way I have a guaranteed no risk trade. Okay. Sometimes if it comes back up, you get some weird spike. Donald Trump says some weird tweet and it hammers up and hits you. That's happened to me multiple times. But what I can tell you, today I traded 4 contracts. So today I'm in 4 contracts. I actually got in earlier than this. I was short, and then when it spiked up, I actually added 2 contracts to this. So I was in 4 contracts. When this came down, I took 1 contract at 15 points. I took 1 at 20 points. This started going back against me. I took 2 at 15, 1 at 20, then this came back and I took 1 at like 14 or 15. So I did not give any of this back. Now, if I would have had the courage to stay in, but I didn't on the last one, then this thing, we would have stayed in this thing and still, you would have had a much bigger trade. Not much bigger. We would have had another 5 points, which is, 5 points is 5 points. And that's significant. If you're trading, if you're brand new to trading, and NinjaTrader is very good for this, I recommend you trade the micros. So you're going to trade what's called the MES, which is a micro. 10 points on a micro on one contract is $50. So that's going to be your max risk that you'll lose. So if you hit this and you're only trading one micro today, and you did 4 contracts, then you would let's just use one contract. You would have won $100 today. You risked this, but once it went into your favor, it's a no risk trade. And this is trade management has been one of the #1 things that has changed my stars of how I win. And I take a lot of break evens. I'll move it up. Capital preservation is #1. I can't say it enough. Capital preservation is #1. Capital preservation is #1. Protect your account. When you have a winner, you want to let your winners run. But man, I can tell you, do you see these spikes? This is the open here. But you get a tweet from Donald Trump, or something breaks out, or something happens down, shenanigans happen. These market makers, even though the S&P is huge, and that's why I like trading, is because it's more predictable. It's more of a battleship. It moves, but it doesn't move crazy like some individual stocks can. They can gap up and gap down and go crazy. You can have some huge wins that way, but you can also have some huge losses that way. So I'm now almost 8 minutes in. I want to wrap this thing up. Quick summary. If you're going, and today we went short, when the 9 crosses the 20, and I was right on this because I used the 1 minute, which is a whole nother thing we can talk about. If you follow me on live trading, I will give you, you're going to have a lot more context of the nuances. There are other nuances. It's a simple strategy, but there are things that you want to know besides just this cross. Crosses here, you would go short. If it was crossing up, you would go long. So here, if you would have gone in at 68.57, you would have had you could have had a huge win all the way if you were ridden this all the way up. So this works. Now, when it doesn't work is on, when you go sideways market chopping, this is a trending strategy. So you want the market to be trending. This, you can see we had a nice trend down, we had a nice trend up. So if you're in a trending market, this is a great strategy. This is a simple strategy. Anybody can learn this strategy. I'm not brilliant. I can learn it. You can learn it. And now that I believe I've perfected it, I am 100%. Well, my track record over the last 5+ years, been a significant winning trader using this one strategy. If you want to trade with me, please follow me. Please like, subscribe. You can reach me at bighappytradingfreedom@gmail.com. I have a PDF that shows you all of the rules, a little more nuance in here. There's some look backs, there's some different confluence that you want to see. But basically, even if you didn't know any of that, you can be a winning trader with this strategy. I'm at 9 minutes and 42 seconds. I'm going to leave it here. If you would please like and subscribe, you will be notified, and hit the icon bell. You'll be notified when I go live. I'm going to be going live every New York session at 9 a.m. and I'll do a little market prep, and then I will take questions, and we'll be just like on this screen right here. We'll be watching how everything runs and how everything works. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Happy trading, and I'll talk to you soon.